Hi guys, Boring Engineer here, back with another lockpicking video. Today I've got the American Lock Series 1100 classic aluminum bodied practice lock. I think it was originally designed as a lotto lock. The aluminum body means it can get cut off pretty quick, but we use it in lock sport community. It's very, very common and well-loved practice lock. I've got 5 here. They come with kind of all sorts of bitting. They're 5-pin, lots of security pins in them, so that's part of why they're really loved. They're also repinnable, so we'll gut one of these here if I can get an open on it, and take a look at what's inside. I use pretty light tension on these just because they have a load of serrated pins in them, and when you overset them, you're basically got to go back to the beginning. So pretty darn light. Feeling my way and listening for a nice crisp click, and that tells you that you've gotten that pin set and not just stuck on a serration. Alright, I'm not having a lot of luck here. A little click on one at the beginning there, but everything else is pretty soft. Pin 5 up in the back there is holding up, but let's reset it, see if we can make any progress here. Pretty good click on one. A little core movement on click on 2. On 3. One more core movement. Touch 5, I think. 4. Oh, I thought that was an open. Good deep false set. Let's see here. 2, I believe. Feeling some counter rotation. See if I can get it without setting everything else. I got it, but there we go. Overset number 2. So, alright, so that's open. Honestly, I've never actually gutted one of these. So let's get this stuff out of the way here, and yeah, let's take this guy apart. Hopefully without losing too much stuff in the process. Alright, there's that. Screw coming out. And now we should be able to just take this clip off here, and the core comes out. Alright, so this first is the blocker. Stops you from jamming a tool up in there and bypassing the lock. It's a bypass trick. So yeah, that's kind of gooey. See if I got a little bit of. All right, well oiled. So let's see here. We need a clip tool. Just got this clip tool. I've used pliers most of the time. I don't know how I feel about this tool. It's supposed to make this easier, but boy, I don't find it easier. I guess I can lock it again since I've got the keys. Let's see. Yeah, that doesn't work. How on earth are you supposed to do this? I guess like that, huh? Alright, so let's Oop, took a shot away. We'll find that. Now there it is. Here's that clip. Pesky circlips. Alright. So let's get a follower. That should be my smallest follower. And I'll need a key. Nope. Trying to guess based on what I was feeling in there. Maybe this guy? Let's try this guy. Nope. Okay. Guess we're just going through in order. Whoops. Oh dear. Well, now I've done it. Let's see if I can undo this little mess I've made for myself here. There we go. Boy, that was close. Alright, so this is the right key here. And what we need to do is get our follower on here. Turn around this way. And make sure I'm not going to spill key pins everywhere. There we go. Great. Alright. No failures so far. Wasn't that close call. Alright, so obviously drilled out for 6 pins. 5 pins in there from the factory. Let's drop these guys out of there. I believe all of the key pins are supposed to be standards on these. So we'll pop these out quick. And oh, I'm mistaken. No, that's got serrated there. So the tall guys actually are serrated. I'll show a zoom in on that in a second here. Cores are obviously unmodified from the factory. I don't know why I bother showing that. Alright, let's pull these top pins out. Alrighty, come here you. So we've got a serrated pin in 1. A spool in 2. Come here. Serrated in 3. Near you. He doesn't want to come out. Come on. Camera shy, I guess. There we go. Spool in 4. And last but not least, I'll just dump him out. That's a serrated in 5. I'm not going to bother pulling the springs out. You guys get the idea. I'll rearrange these real quick so you can see what's going on here. But yeah, pretty standard American. That was my first time I pulled one of those apart. I don't know. I guess maybe just because they're from the factory, I've never been too curious to yank them apart. But it is nice to see they're well made. I'll give them that. Come here, you. Straighten out. So let's do a little zoom in here. See if I can. Oh, we'll do better than that. Alright, come on. There we go. Okay. So you can see there. That's the bitting and the pinning on your classic American 1100. Hope you liked it, and thanks for watching. Hope to bring you more soon. Thanks. Bye.